Are you missing notification when your iPhone is in standby mode? This can happen due to specific settings or features being misconfigured. Let's walk through the steps to fix this and ensure you don't miss important alerts. Let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Re-enable standby. Open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on standby, turn off standby, wait for a few seconds, turn standby on. Solution 2. Change standby settings. Open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on standby. Now, from here, toggle on show notifications. Then toggle off show previews on tap on only. If it's on, restart your iPhone and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Change notification settings. Open settings, scroll down, and tap notifications, scroll down, tap on the app you want to receive notifications from, toggle on allow notifications if it's off, tap on show previews, tap always. Solution 4, update iOS to the latest version, open settings, tap general, and then software update. If an update is available, just update your iPhone to fix any bugs affecting notifications. By following these steps, you should be able to receive notifications while using standby mode. If the video helped you solve the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.